Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the top 5 free cybersecurity courses online that you can get and use for free, and in some occasions you can even get a certificate for free as well. Plus, in the end, I will show you some bonus stuff that I personally think is a really good resource online for your cybersecurity training. So let's begin. The first one is the Cisco Academy. So I really like Cisco. From back in the days when Cisco developed routers and created really good certifications on the CCNA courses for networking and understanding. Of course, they also created the online cybersecurity school. So let me just pull in a browser window for you guys so you can see what this is all about. So as you see that I have a lot of fans open today that I'm going to show you. So the first one is called the Cisco Networking Academy. Now I am logged in as Daniel. But you don't need to do that in order to just browse the content. If you scroll down a bit, you get all the normal essential stuff for your cybersecurity adventure and learning. So, introduction to cybersecurity, the essentials, network security, cyber ops, IoT, and so on. All of them are free and have different levels. I will of course recommend you to do introduction to cybersecurity if you are new to cybersecurity. The next one, number 2, is IBM. IBM created lots of beautiful, really strong keyboards in the past, I must say. But today they also create online free cybersecurity training. So let me just pull in the browser again and show you guys what this is all about. So we have the IBM Security Learning Academy. So the thing is, you need to create an ID, log in. And if you want to browse the course catalog, you can press the button up here in the corner left area. You can also go a bit down and you can explore all security courses. But there are many different kind of categories. So if you find it more interesting to learn something about credentials, well, you can just press that button here. So this is all about security. So I'm going to press the security window here. So you can see here that you have all different kinds of security courses, from data encryption to privilege identity management and so on and so on. So this is a really good resource for you to develop your cybersecurity skills, and it is free. The third one is called Palo Alto, which is a name that I rarely say, but they do have really good online free courses. So let me just pull the window in straight ahead and say Palo Alto. If you look at their original website here, and they have a lot about network security, cloud security, security operations, and so on. But if you just scroll down a bit, you have something called fundamental training. Introduction to cybersecurity, fundamentals of network security, fundamentals of cloud security, fundamentals of security operations center SOC. You can also earn your own certificate here. Now, I don't remember exactly which of the pages get your certification for free, but in many cases they do cost a small amount, maybe $50, maybe $100, maybe even a less, but I don't know. I haven't researched all of them. Some do give you a free certificate for course completion. Alright, the fourth one is called Fortinet, or Fortinet, however you're going to pronounce that. So let's go to the trusty web browser and pull on up that tab. So it says free advanced training for security professionals. Sure. And there are some building cybersecurity workforce for free. Well, free is a good word. Free advanced training, free technical training, free awareness. So if you're into all these kind of topics, which is most areas in cybersecurity they cover here, you can also scroll a bit down and see if there's anything interesting for you. They do have something called FortiGate and FortiAnalyzer and stuff like that. It's probably their own products they are creating courses for. And the last, before the bonus, is called the Tybary, or Tybary, depending on how you want to say it. Security, learning, and IT online. So let's see. Develop your cybersecurity skills, learn technical tools and skill needs to keep your data and applications safe with the industry's fastest and growing, fastest moving catalog. Okay, so if you look at here the topics, we have security fundamentals, ethical hacking, digital forensics, web app security, very interesting. Let's scroll down a bit here and see, oh, we have an images too, introduction and SOC analyst and so on and so on. Now, what I want to show you guys was this link here, web app security. Now, web application security is really important these days, and we have different courses even about OWASP, injection, broken authentication, sensitive data exposure, and so on. So all these are free, so I really suggest that you look at them if you want some free online cybersecurity training. So the last video, well, the last link, sorry, is TryHackMe. And I used them before, and I'm gonna continue using them because I still think they are one of the best alternative if you wanna focus primarily on ethical hacking, learn how stuff is broken, and learn how to fix it. Okay, so I'm not a sponsor of TryHackMe, and I'm not a sponsor of any of the other websites that I promoted today, but I just like the resources. This is TryHackMe. It's cybersecurity training. You can create a free profile, and there are lots of free rooms you can do inside TryHackMe, which is free. You can also create a profile. I think it's like $50 for half a year. It's not that much. So with the free access, you can learn, practice, and complete different kind of. I'm not really sure if you have access to the actual learning path, which it's called learning paths, but I think one of them is. Through the browser is required, you pay for it. However, all the rooms you can log into and train your skills to get your certificate from CompTIA or certified ethical hacking or whatever certification you want to do, TryHackMe is the place to go. Remember, you can create a free profile, and there are lots of free content you can browse. So this concludes this small video about the top 5 online cybersecurity skills for you. I hope you liked this video, and I will see you again later. Bye.